Taking a look at Pepe, you can see we have removed our chart just because there was just too many lines on there. We're going to create a new one. So you can see that from the low up to the high, Pepe is actually now below the 382 at 65, which means that Pepe must get back over this 65 level if there's going to be any chance of a reversal, which would argue that as long as Pepe's below 65, it's actually extremely bearish. Now, if we zoom in and we take our fib from the all-time high down to where we are right now, we can see that the 236 is at 84, which means that if Pepe is unable to get back over 84, then the price is actually still bearish down to 42. Now, if Pepe is able to get back over 84, then obviously you would be reclaiming this 382 retracement, which would be very bullish. And you'd also be able to break over this 84, which would send you up to this 382 at 1140. I believe we said that in yesterday's video. Which means that once or if Pepe gets over 1150, the bottom is in and we'll be looking for a much higher move, potentially even a new high. Unfortunately, the opposite is also true, which is if Pepe never gets over 84 or it doesn't even get back over 65, then you would be looking for another move down, potentially as low as 41. You would obviously be able to draw a short-term fib like so, and you can see 52 to 49 would be next. So as we clean up the chart here and summarize the video, as long as Pepe is below 65, it is actually considered extremely bearish. However, if Pepe is able to form a low, I would even take it one step further and take a fib from this high down to the low. And you can see the 236 is actually in the same exact spot at 66. So as long as Pepe is below 66, we could look for 50. If Pepe gets over 66, that's a good sign because you're getting over to 382. And you can see now with this new fib from this high down to the low, the 382 is about 78. You will see it in just a moment as I remove this. And we can say that as long as Pepe is below 66 or 72, it's actually bearish for a move down to 50. Pepe getting over 72 would invalidate 50 and move us up to 85 and potentially 10.6. And Pepe getting over 10.6 would send it back up to the high or around the high, in my opinion. That is pretty much it. None of this is financial advice.